Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a smart solar camera. We're going to look at this, and I'll show you guys what this is and how it works, and show you a little video of it. And this is it here. I'll aim you down so you can actually see what I'm doing. So it comes with a big solar panel. That's a big solar panel. And the solar panel then has a USB-C plug on it. So that'll be how it connects up. And then this is the camera. Wow, this is a heavy duty big one. So this one here looks very industrial-ish. It's got some of that plastic things. If that's satisfying for you to peel off, then good for you. And then comes with a wire here, so you just plug it into a, if you don't have the solar panel hooked up or whatever, I'm sure it's got a battery in it, but you can plug it in directly to a USB thing. And then we have the mount here. I guess this is the mount for the solar panel because the mount for the camera is up on this. So you just gotta screw that into a wall or up however you do it, or up into the roof through these ports here, and then you have your camera going here. Now let me see what else does it have in there. That's kind of it. It comes with the screws and the wire, and that's really everything. So I'm gonna set this thing up and show you guys basically how it will work. But let me just look at it here and see if there's anything that you might need to know ahead of time. I don't think so, and it looks like it's got some lights there, and it's gonna be good for nighttime, and then it plugs in right down there, so that's where we'll plug it in. So I'm gonna go and connect it up to an app and everything, and I'll show you guys how it all works. How about that, Joe? Cool, we'll set it up. Hey, so here it is set up, and you can see I've got it just aiming at random things in my house. Right now it's just kind of yucky outside, so I didn't put it outside. But it's got ridiculously clear video, and the top camera is like a zooming, pan-tilt zoom kind of version of it. And then the bottom one is the stable camera. And setting it up was simple. Just in the app, it gave me a barcode, and I scanned it, and then it was on my network, and the app was ready to go. Super simple. There's my little puppy, but works great. I love this thing, man. This camera is awesome. I can't wait to set it up outside. So we're great.